Hello friends, welcome to Racking Brains. So today's video we will run the basic of ES6. To start, I am going to create a new folder, new ES6 basics, and inside that I am just creating index.html, then a folder called JS. Inside that JS folder, I am just going to create main.js. So what I will do inside index.html, I will do some basic HTML code. Just HTML tag, close it. Inside that I will do the head, and inside head I will do the title. That is Racking Brains. So now I'm going to the body. I'm not doing much more on the title, more of the thing, meta tag and like that, but I'm not focusing on that. I'm just doing inside the body some label inside for one. So it will be number one. Input type number ID number one. Then and the tag and the beer to break the line. Now we'll do the number 2. Now I am creating 3 button in it. Button plus calculate. Then ID equal to add. Then I am doing add here. Similarly, I am doing 2 more. It is for sub and for multiplication. It is the basic calculation I will do to show you the ES6 mainly. Then I am doing a RD result to show the result. Some basic style, color, blue, and then font size large. Which now I am going the JS file. In JS file there button equal to document dot get element by id, get element by class name, get element by class name. What will be the class name? Common class, it is calculate. Now it will return the array of class element. So for that what we'll do, we'll just do the for loop where I equal to 0, I less than buttons dot length, then I plus plus. Now what I will do, I will just check which button is clicked. Buttons, then I, then add event listener, click, then the function. So in click function, I will check in which button it will be clicked. It was clicked. So let clicked item equal to document this dot get attribute get attribute id. So I will get the id like that way. Now I will check whether the id is add or multiplication or subtraction. If check, sorry, yeah, if checked item, see, if clicked item equal to add, then I will have two variables here. One is for number one equal to document dot get element by id, number one dot value. Okay, sorry. Similarly, I'll copy that for number two. Then one more thing, where result, as it is the calculation, I will check keep the initial value as 0. Now let's check whether the number is put or not. If number one and number two, if number one is there and number two is there, then only we will do the calculations. Else we will do the alert is enter values. Now if it is add, then result will be equal to add inside add number one and number two. So similarly for sub and multiplication. Now what we will do, we will put the document dot get element by id, what will be the id of result, dot value equal to result. Okay, now I need to write the three functions. Sorry, it will be, so now I need to write the three functions. Function add, for number 1 and number 2 I am simply taking n1 and n2, then it will return first float n1 plus first float and 2. So similarly for subtraction it will return, and for multiplication it will return the product of these two, and it is the difference of the two. So it is not the exact calculator, but I am just trying to show you the calculating functions, right? Now what I'll do, I'll just check whether it is working or not. So for that I need to import that script src.js main.js. Okay, let's check it whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's not working. Why? Let's check it. Check whether the file is included properly or not. It's a step of debugging. Click function, check item, this dot alert. Click. No, clicked is not calling. Now you need to check whether the file is loaded properly or not. Paste. My file is not loaded properly. So let's go to the index.html. Okay, sorry, that is the main issue. Yeah, clicking. Yeah, everything works fine. Now just removing the alerts. Then I am checking 1 plus 2, and that's also not working. Why? Number 1, number 2, and first float. Okay, let's check what the result comes. Click item equal to add. Okay, 1 and number 2. Number 1. Let's check whether it is fulfilling the condition or not. Yeah, putting 1 and 2 is there. Yeah, it is showing up the result. Then why the result is not coming? It will be the inner HTML as it is the div. Let's check. Hopefully it will work fine. 3 plus 2, that is 3 and 6. Okay, result number 1. I'm just removing the alert from here. Now refresh. 2, 1, and result is 3, subtraction 1, multiplication 2. Yeah, it works fine. Now I am going to show you how the ES6 import, export, and the scaling is working. So in the single file, now it is a small application. When we will run the more application, so in a single file, that is the function and things, it looks quite bad. So let's create a new file called function.js. So inside function.js, I'm just copying the function and converting it into export const equal to export. So export is a very good way to provide the data to other components or files and importing that into that 6 files where it is required. So it's a very good powerful features of ES6 const. Okay, it looks good. Now from main.js I'm removing imported. What I need to import, add submal from yes, sorry, function from function.js. Okay, it will be imported. Now it will not directly work into the browser because browser doesn't know the import export distract because it's the ES6 things. Now we will want to move forward the ES6. Okay, now let me go to that. So to start with, we need to install the need to go to that particular folder. ES6 basic cmd. Then Now I need to install the HTTP server. So once set added, our next job is to add the script into package.json to run the things. So let's explain. We have just installed the babel-loader, babel core, babel preset-env and webpack. What is the babel and webpack do? They are just creating a package uh, for the ES6 to browser compatible ES5 codes. So I will show this after creating the build. So let's install it and inscript. Okay, so node is not installed, so we need to do npm init. Okay, now inside the script I will run the things. So now what we will do, we will create a package. We need to copy the webpack config file. So I am copying it from my previous job. So I will give that webpack and config file details into the description. No need to worry about that. Now npm run webpack to create the build. So sorry, missing script webpack. Sorry, let's check. In the script it is not added. So I'm just copying it. I'm just adding it into the script. Then saving it. Babel HTTP server is there, no need to worry. npm run webpack. Yeah. Then yes, when we are running the webpack, let's create a build. Inside the build, it is main.bundle.js. Now our part of job to replace this js main to build slash main.bundle.js. Now we can see it will work perfect. 1 and 2, 3. So it's the perfect runner and build is done successfully. Now our second part of job, if we want to run it into the server, then npm run start. It will run the server in a port and 8080 it is. So let's check in localhost 8080. Localhost 8080. Yeah, it's working as a server as well. So yeah, if I subtract, it will be -1, it will multiply 2. So it's working perfectly. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps you. If anything confusing for understand or any description details required for any section or any more video required on any particular sections, so please comment and mention that which section we need to more clarify, so I will create a video on that. Thanks for watching. Let's like our video and subscribe the channel Racking Brains. Thanks for watching again. Bye.